काँग्रेस आणि मगोपान दाखल केल्ल्यो याचिका मुंबय उच्च न्यायालयाच्या गोंय खंडपीठान आयज भायर आयल्यो. 10 काँग्रेस आणि 2 मगोपा आमदारांनी भाजपात प्रवेश केल्ल्यान तांकां अपात्र करचे अशें मागपी याचिका दाखल केल्ल्यो.
न्यायमूर्ती मनीष पितळे आणि न्यायमूर्ती आर्यन लड्डा हांचो आस्पाव आसलेल्या मुंबय उच्च न्यायालयाच्या गोवा खंडपीठान आयज 2019 भाजपात प्रवेश केल्ल्या काँग्रेसीचे 10 आमदार आणि MGPच्या 2 आमदारां विरोधात आशिल्ल्या याचिकांचेर निकाल दिलो.
जी आम्ही रिट पिटिशन फायल केल्ले चॅलेंजिंग द ऑर्डर ऑफ द स्पीकर वेरीन द स्पीकर हॅड डिसमिस्ड अवर डिस्क्वॉलिफिकेशन पिटिशन ते हायकोर्टान आमचे पिटिशन डिसमीस केला. सो बेसिकली जी स्पीकराची ऑर्डर आशिल्ली ती ऑर्डर ऑफ हेल्ड केला आणि आमचे पिटिशन डिसमीस केला आणि वीच मिन्स दॅट जे 10 काँग्रेसाचे MLA आणि 2 MGPचे MLA आशिल्ले तांकां ते डिस्क्वॉलिफाय जावना अशें हायकोर्टान म्हटलां.
MGPचे जाऊन आले
दोनूय पिटिशनां आयज आशिल्ली जजमेंटाक. सो जजमेंट प्रोनावंस केला आणि दोनूय पिटिशनां डिसमीस केला.
तर आता कितें नेक्स्ट स्टेप कितें आसतलें तुमचें?
आता आमी हे जजमेंट पयलीं वाचचें पडटलें कितें एक्झॅक्टली बरयलां तें. बट आमी डिसिजन घेतला की ते आमी सुप्रीम कोर्टान चॅलेंज करतले.
ह्या ऑर्डरीन जें कितें देशान चल्लां ताका एनकरेजमेंट दिवपा सारको एक परिस्थिती जाल्ली आसा. आतां ती एक्झॅक्टली ऑर्डर कशी आसा कितें आसा तें आमकां वाचले बगर कळचें ना. पूण जे लोकांचो पब्लीक मॅन्डेट जो आसता तो मॅन्डेट चेंज करपाक सो पावर आयज ह्या ऑर्डरीन आमदारांक दिल्लो आसा. सो जो एक ज्या स्पिरिटान 10th शेड्यूल हाडले कित्याक ह्या देशान की कोण तरी उठ्ठाले आनी वचून दुसरे पार्टीक जॉयन जाताले आनी लोकांचो जो मॅन्डेट आशिल्लो तो चेंज करताले. ज्या खातीर वोटींग केल्या लोकांनी ते चेंज जाताले. आनीक आयज देशभरान आमी पळयल्लें आसा की कशें करून लोक वोटिंगाक एक पार्टीक दितात आनी तेजे नंतर दुसरोच सरकार त्या आमदारांक फोडटा आनी आपलो सरकार सत्तेर दवरता. सो हें सगळें जर क्लियर जातलें जाल्यार ही ऑर्डर आमकां चॅलेंज करपाक पडटली. आनीक एक क्लियर मॅन्डेट म्हाका दिसता सुप्रीम कोर्टा कडल्यान घेवचो पडटलो की एक्झॅक्टली 10th शेड्यूल is to encourage the defection, is to encourage the merger, or it is to prevent that. That the Honorable Supreme Court will have to make it clear the very intent of this 10th schedule, the spirit of the 10th schedule, the purpose of the 10th schedule, whether it is to encourage such type of mergers and the defections and to overturn the mandate of the people, or it is to set it right.
ह्या निकालाचेर प्रतिक्रिया व्यक्त करतना याचिका घालपी GPCC अध्यक्ष गिरीश चोडणकारान सांगलें की ते ह्या आदेशाक सर्वोच्च न्यायालयांत आव्हान दितले. हो आदेश फकत गोंयांतच न्हय जाल्यार देशभर वायट देख घालून दितलो आनी वेंचून आयिल्ल्या लोकप्रतिनिधींक पयशे घेवन जनादेशाच्या विरोधांत वचपाक प्रोत्साहन दितलो अशेंय ताणें सांगलें.
जी ऑर्डर ऑनरेबल हायकोर्टान दिल्ली आसा आमचे पिटिशन डिसमीस करून ती is on unexpected lines and we are going to challenge it Supreme Court because the very existence of political parties is in the question and the politics that is taking place all over country today, it will encourage the kind of politics of Narendra Modi government at center. With the use of money, they can change the mandate of the people. So this actually order goes against the existence of political parties and existence of democratic values. So it is setting a bad precedence in the country where after the elections, few MLAs can come together and take a decision irrespective of what political party which has nominated them as a candidate, with which this candidate got elected with the party's programs, party's manifesto, party's agenda and symbol. Irrespective of that, the few MLAs will join together. They may take money from the party in power and can break away. So this is going to set a bad precedence not only for the Congress party, but all the political parties across country. And we definitely needs to challenge it and Supreme Court, because very spirit of the 10th schedule has been destroyed by this order. The purpose of the 10th schedule is to prevent defection. The very spirit of the 10th schedule is to prevent this horse trading. And that is why I think it's a necessary that this order needs to be challenged.
It is something which will be cited as a precedent across the country. Obviously, yes, there is earlier one judgment of full bench of the Punjab and Haryana High Court. As of Bombay High Court, there was no judgment directly on the 10th schedule, but there was a judgment in the context of one municipal law, which is basically modelled on 10th schedule, wherein the full bench of this Honourable High Court, the Bombay High Court itself, had taken a view that for a valid merger, both the things are required, that is the merger of the political party as well as the agreement of the 2/3 of the legislature party. That was the view of the full bench. We had cited that before the High Court. Even then the court has taken a different view. Obviously there must be reason for that, which we will come to know only once we read the judgment.
गोवा 365 खातीर विलियम रॉड्रिग्स.